Menteri Rangba Barem ke Jylla Dr. Mukul Sangma. Ubedeiru nong yalam joko liang persya haka yen robar tawaan ke Jylla haka sipele joko tayo ulakeno baka jingkiar jong ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kabayalam daka National People's Party bantoket ia ka kamti bat Khie do yong bean haka Jylla kapen pau sai kedar baka dan ke aka halendat kabaka Sarkar kam kwa ban pen pau
Dr. Mukul Sangma ulakran yakani halor kejing kentho jong sebut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ba Preston Tunsong baong ba kejing her jurep jong Dr. Mukul Sangma sekeja kaplang doyong hakatayo belalit no kalong ke babak lasibon namar kum unong yalam ulari ban pha deka kai phot jek Sarkar Jylla kat kum kejing siam jong kanang ba ke Sarkar kan yo ban penbet ikejing duna Dr. Mukul Sangma ulakan thoi kene kejing tren dak baong belada ke Sarkar kadang imbet tang hakejing kentat bat batha kalai uban pensisa kai kejing mod iki ban chong hakasuki bat balai bigile akiar kene kam kabadan kam man khanglat iki kam bean Dr. Mukul Sangma ula pentep bah kejing let jurep jong ya gejaka pelang doyong ha east bat west Jante Hills ula syembo doyong badan hakinik distrik umdan satya kombalakam dak Sarkar Jylla Ulong bagarukam ajin ken hagabede bagajingdon udoyong hadu ujellio mentagasnem kalong gomba iwei point sau iwei lak metric ton Nre hagajing jurep ikjaka pelang doyong alab udoyong udan tang komba 1000 sau trok kibak dijuket hapreng 10 metric ton hadu 100 metric ton balada ken sien ikine kammi jingken satya tang 4000 metric ton Ulong ru bakat kum kakai phot wapsar katanat marpo khendau na distrik kabalapha asu deputy commissioner Udoyong udan iwei point sau iwei lak metric ton bar ulabo jengkeli hato omdei balasalan bean udoyong uang bakakam jong ke Sarkar kalong banwat ke jing sisa bat yadai ke Jylla ki kam syukur bat ki kam luti habawer ke Sarkar ban lang biang bat segija kaplang doyong baun pen ki sakhi hagabedei bagajing salan udoyong bam dan bakam trai Dr. Mukul Sangma ulong bagajing penan kam ki kentien kadai geboj ke bala penan kam tang ban penyat yaki kam bean
This is the picture. 1064 truckloads. 1064. Okay. Now, this is counted by the Deputy Commissioner and the District Mining Officer himself. Deputy Commissioner of West Jante Hills. Are there not the evidence from the ground zero? Now, it's the responsibility of the government to take all necessary measures under the mandate of the law to protect the interests of the state. It's as simple as that. There should not be prompt denial. Prompt denial only indicate that there is a reason to believe that they are not willing to really tell the truth or rather trying to hide the truth. This word unclaimed coal has come up as an offshoot of a well-scripted modus operandi. That is what I have said. You know, there is a claim that, okay, some coal has been dumped somewhere and then owner is not known, and therefore somebody files a complaint before the Deputy Commissioner, then Deputy Commissioner asks for an enquiry, then after the enquiry is done, then he is asked to indicate the quantity, then after that the officers are asked to file an FIR. Then after that they say that, oh, this is an unclaimed coal, there is no owner. Now tell me one thing, how there is no unclaimed coal? All the land belong to somebody. You have seen it in Garo Hills. The owners have come. The land owners have come. The land owners know who are the owners. Have you tried to find out? Have they interrogated the land owners? Meaning, that means there is no effort. As we can see, no effort at all from the government to really find out whether any illegalities are going on or not. Another thing, I saw Chief Minister saying that the opposition is confused. Opposition is not confused. Dr. Mukul Sangma is not confused at all. 32 lakh metric ton. Why did I say that, okay, you proceed ahead with the auctioning of 32 lakh metric ton as per the order of the Honorable Supreme Court? Why? Because if it is not there, then you will know. If it is there also, you will know. But if you are doing piecemeal, if the government is doing auctioning in a piecemeal, 1 lakh metric ton, 2 lakh metric ton, it will take how many years, tell me? The judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court was pronounced on the 3rd July last year. This is more than a year now. Till now, they have not auctioned. till now. They are saying that, okay, auctioning, there are many, legalities. Come on, man, if they can auction the so-called unclaimed coal so fast, even during holidays. You look at the notification. During holidays, during Christmas time, notification when everybody is busy, in a festive mood. That's the time. And very fast. But in this case, why are they slow? Now, 32 lakh metric ton must be auctioned on time so that if it is not there, we will all know. And if it is not there, then government must verify through a process of law as per the law and find out who is responsible for any disappearance of such coal. It's the job of the government